How do you get your house ready to sell? Great question. We get it all the time. The first step, meet with a real estate professional, somebody who's done this before. They're going to meet with you, find out your needs, what's important to you, what's not important, and work from there. They're going to take a look at your house and they're going to be straight with you if they're really good. They're not going to overinflate what they think you can get for it because that just leads to problems down the road. And they're also going to tell you what they can do to help you get more money. Sometimes that just means little stuff like painting and cleaning and doing the landscaping. Sometimes it's big projects like remodeling the bathroom. We have access to zero cost upfront loans for our sellers to do that. And sometimes it really works because they get a lot more money than it takes just to remodel the bathroom. Sometimes though, you're in a hurry, it's not worth it. And that's okay too. We coordinate all the inspections up front. The reason why is because we want buyers to feel comfortable about your house. Even if it has a couple warts, we'd rather them know about it than be scared or find out about it later on and then try to back out of the deal. And lastly, we advise on price. We take a look at what's going on in the market, we look at the comparable sales, and we give you straight, honest advice about what we think you should price it at. The decision is always yours. However, we want to get you the most money for your place, and sometimes that means hanging a very attractive price on it in order to bring more buyers and then have the buyers compete over each other to get your house. There is so much more that goes into actually selling a home that we don't have time for all here. If you have questions, you want to get started, just message me or my team. Thanks.